Molly.
Hi, Ken.
I have some questions about this murder mystery thing that you got going on. So,
Well, go ahead.
like, what is it? I don't understand.
Well, this is a really fun workshop that we're hosting here at so-and-so's place. And it's all about I murdered a quilt at Quilt A Murder, whichever comes first.
Okay. So, what does that exactly mean? Like,
Let me explain it. You ever played Clue when you were a kid?
yeah.
Okay. This is very similar to that. It's a mystery. And Lauren Byrne is the instructor for this workshop. This is a wonderful story that she wrote, and it's all based around quilt blocks. So each one of these blocks is going to be a different chapter to the book.
Okay. And it's based on clues. So, like, she gives you clues,
Yes.
and then what do you have to figure out?
Well, she's going to give you clues which indicate a different quilt block that you're going to sew.
Oh, okay. And then we sew it, and then we get the next clue,
Exactly.
and we sew that block. Okay. Is it going to look like that?
No. This is just to give you an idea of what the size of the top of the quilt's going to be when you're finished.
Okay, so it's going to be this size.
Yes.
But not these blocks nor this material.
No.
Oh.
You get to use your imagination.
Okay.
In fact, if you sign up for the workshop, I'll send you the supply list.
Okay. Okay. So there's a supply list. So what kind of stuff do I need to bring? Just your regular quilting
Yep,
stuff?
your regular quilting supplies. She does make a few suggestions about specific rulers that are going to come in handy.
Okay.
And in fact, your supply list, well, let me rephrase it. When you sign up for the class, you get a book. So there's going to be a book
Okay.
that gives you all the names of the blocks, but you don't know which blocks are going to be in the quilt.
Okay.
So whenever you come to class that day, the workshop, we're going to give you the book. All the drinks and the snacks are included. So we suggest you bring a lunch so that you can kind of keep going and keep going and keep, because
Yeah.
it's going to be so much fun.
Yeah.
You're just going to have a blast. You're going to get to meet new people. And this class is open to confident beginners.
Okay.
So we need you to already know how to sew a 1/4 inch, know some of the common terms, and don't feel like you're going to be outsewn by other people.
Mm-hmm.
But know that you can kind of look at your neighbor and say, hey, what am I doing here? But you're also going to have,
Yeah.
the instructor there.
Right.
And there's going to be others of us milling around to help out.
Okay. So do I have to bring my own machine? Are you supplying those?
Here at so-and-so's place, we do have rental machines available. It's $5 for the entire workshop if you
Okay.
don't have a machine.
Okay.
But if you do have your favorite machine, bring it on.
Okay.
We only have 6 rental machines, so it's first come, first served.
Okay. So I get a supply list, so I bring my regular quilting stuff with the rulers that she suggests, but I can pick out my own fabric. And she
Absolutely.
tells me what kind of fabric I need to pick out.
Yes, she's going to give
The
you some
colors and stuff.
suggestions
Okay,
about
good.
what kind of contrast and scale, but
Okay.
it's up to you to choose it. And we're pretty good here at helping people pick out fabrics,
Yeah.
and you always get a student discount whenever you purchase fabrics and supplies
Oh.
here for any of the classes.
Oh,
or
cool. So I
workshops.
don't have to have fabric before I come. Once I find out from the teacher and what things are doing. Will she have samples that she's going to bring?
Now that's a good question. But I would truly believe that she will.
Yeah.
But she doesn't want to give too much away because when you
Yeah.
think about it, it's a mystery.
It's a mystery. Yeah, it's like let's take an online mystery quilt thing where you don't know what the whole thing's going to look like. So
Exactly.
yeah,
We
so-
want you to have fun and be surprised.
Right. So maybe no samples. Okay, I can understand that. All right. So when is the class?
The class is going to be January 11th through the 13th from 9:30 to 5:30. That's
Okay.
a Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So, my suggestion is get signed up. Give this as a Christmas present to yourself.
Oh, that's a good idea. I'm going to put it on my Christmas list.
Yes, yes. We even have little cards here where you can give this to those that you love in your
Yeah.
family and say, here, give me this as my Christmas present.
Oh, I like that. That's really great. Okay.
Yep.
I think that's it. It sounds like a lot of fun.
I think it's going to be a blast.
I'm going to sign up. I think that's good. It sounds like a lot of fun.
Yes.
Okay.
So, all righty?
Yeah.
All right.
Cool.
And if you have any questions about Quilt A Murder or Murder a Quilt, just reach out to us here at So-and-so's place, 423-285-5959, or mollyeducates@gmail.com or Molly at so-and-so's place. Reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram. Y'all can find me. I'm right here, 282nd Avenue, Dayton, Tennessee. Bye-bye.
Bye.